If I would speaking to somebody new, I would describe RabbitMQ as a message broker which helps their applications talk to each other.
RabbitMQ has been used in finance, banking networks, telecoms, because of its stability, clustering capabilities, high availability.
If I had to describe RabbitMQ in 3 words, robust, reliable, and a strong pedigree.
RabbitMQ brings this to the IoT world. This enables the customer to do more with less, basically.
Well, I think RabbitMQ fixes a problem that lots of organizations have, which is they have lots of different technologies that need to find a way of communicating together. And Rabbit provides that common layer in which those systems can start to talk to each other.